And this is our last night at Cabana Bay. All lit up. Looks great. Color TV, cold air. The retro theming is pretty cool. Even though we haven't really stayed here too often as we're in the parks most of the day. It is more their value resort, mid-value. I guess the Endless Summer one that just opened recently is their value resort. There's a little lobby. As it's pretty late out, everything is closed right now. They do have a Starbucks here, which Jesse loves. Here's the room that we've been staying in for Cabana Bay, in the kind of Volcano Bay room, one of the new towers. Hi! There's the Welsh room. Mirror. And then we have two twin beds in here. Jesse has the loot from our Disney character warehouse run to the International Premium Outlet store, or mall. But yeah, the 50s or retro theming here is very apparent. Here's some of the stuff we got. Got that little sweater for Theo when he gets a little bit older. Magic Kingdom, Tomorrowland. Pretty good price too, I think. $14.99, regular $40. Then we got him a little sweater that will fit him shortly. 50% off. And then little shorts to go with it as well. $9.99, 50% off again. Then we have the Never Grow Up Neverland little sweater for when he gets older. Then for little Zuri, we got this cute sweater. And a new hat. She loves the princesses. We also got an Ariel hat in the parks for her. At like triple the price of what that was. But she loves Ariel, so it's worth it. Then this cute little tutu. It says Wild on it. And a little Mickey. That was also $14.99. Regular $34.99. More than 50% off. This is a pretty sweet find too. A little Spirit jersey for Zuri for when she's a little bit older. And Walt Disney World on the back. And it was $14.99, regular $44.99. And we're hoping to find Jessie one so they can be matchy-matchy.
Yeah. Who doesn't want to be matchy-matchy?
And then Jessie also got a little Mary Poppins mug, or a teacup and coaster set. Regular $58 for $29.99. Then we like collecting patches to put on our luggage. And we got this mini bow and Best Day Ever patch. I think that was $3.99 and that was $1.99. Both regular $9.99. Then we didn't have any Pandora souvenirs. So we've got this one, the Ace.
We love Pandora.
Alpha Centauri Expeditions. That's kind of the expedition group that developed Pandora on the storyline. And then Jessie got this sweater for herself.
I got a lot of stuff.
And these socks. And
more shirts.
The flower shirt.
Yes.
And a Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and Brains. And this cute little sweater, or quarter sleeve.
And Sean shirts.
Then I got the shirt, the most magical place on earth. And a purple shirt. It kind of matches Zuri and hopefully Jessie when she gets there.
Hopefully, oh goodness, hopefully. I love being matchy-matchy. Me and Zuri have the same one of these shirts,
Yes,
so
we
at least
got-
I'm going to match with one thing.
Yeah, we got Zuri a Jurassic Park Spirit jersey as well.
They're so cute together.
And they're so light.
They are so
They
light.
look like they're hot and heavy. Or
They're
this
not.
Jurassic Park one's lighter than the one we got Zuri for. That's purple, the Disney World one. But that is our little
Yeah, we scored.
loot that we got from the character warehouse.
This is little Zuri's that we match. Itty bitty.
So cute.
It's so cute.
She doesn't even know what Jurassic Park is, but she'll be cute. One day she will know and
She
love
knows
it.
about dinosaurs, though.
Yes.
She'll be excited to see the dinosaurs. We see the dinosaurs at the zoo. And that's my new Jurassic Park. Not
It's
so
our little haul. Not so little haul. There's some more stuff that we got. We'll try to show you as we notice it. That's our last day, and that is our room. And you can't really see outside, but there's a little view of the slides. Honu? Something like that.
The blue one.
The blue one that you kind of go up and then down. It's pretty cool. But that's kind of the send off there for our last night, and we will try and show some of the morning tomorrow. We're going to be going to Universal in the morning, try to get on Gringotts and the Mummy. I don't think we'll do Hagrid's again.
Spider-Man.
And Spider-Man. Don't think we'll do Hagrid's again just because it's a crazy long wait, but definitely worth it. But we have to leave early to the airport, so not really in the books for us. We'll do that next time.
We did it twice.
We did do it twice.
Yeah.
But hopefully you enjoyed all of our videos, and
Boventure is out there.